I'm going to show you in this video how to take an animation and bake it for exporting with an FBX file. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have polygon objects in your model, which I'm going to take this extrude, which has splines in it, and convert it into polygon objects, which can then be baked. So right now I have two tags. I have dynamics body tag on the extrude and dynamics body tag on the plane, and this allows for the physics engine to show when things are colliding, and I want to take that behavior and export the animation as an FBX. So I need to click on my object here and right click and select current state to object, and this will make a copy and convert my splines, which are extruded, into polygon objects. So right here I have the individual pieces, and I can go under here and reduce the number of groups here too by using Shift G to ungroup, or right clicking and going to ungroup objects for these null objects here, and I'm going to just delete those. So everything is contained under this extrude null object I have now, and I can toggle off my original extrude object here, and now I have, with this copy, polygon objects which have the same behavior because of the dynamics body tag, and I want to take this animation and bake it. And so what I want to do is pick my extrude, go up to Window, Dope Sheet, Timeline Dope Sheet, and open this window, and then from the selection I have, I want to go Functions, Bake Objects, and this will bake any objects that I have in the timeline animated, and I can choose which parameters I want. Right now I'm just going to say position and rotation and animated. Mostly it's position and rotation that I'm animating just by using the dynamics body tags. So I'll say OK, and in doing so it's going to create keyframes for every single point in space along the duration of the animation. So all my X, Y, and Z coordinates, and then rotations for each object. So I can close that, and now if I hit play, I see the same behavior. If I were to delete this dynamics body tag and even delete my original extrude, then I can hit play, and it's playing the animation based on what was baked. And so now with that, what I can do is right click on extrude, or sorry, file, export selected objects as FBX. And I want to make sure in this window I have animation bake all frames checked, and say OK. And then I will go ahead and pick where I want to bake it out. So I'll say extrude baked. If I open my FBX file in another tool called FBX Review by Autodesk, I can see my model in here, and if I hit play, I see the same animation played out because the animation was baked and it was saved as part of the FBX file. So that's how you save a file with animations included straight out of Cinema 4D.